Welcome to another class about animals. What about if today we learn about farm animals? Let's go. So farm animals live in the farm. Just like the name says, that's why they're called farm animals. And farm animals, they help people in many different ways. They can give us things to eat. They can help us with carrying the load. They can give us wool to make blankets or clothes. And they can help us in other different ways as well. Let's see and learn about some of them. A horse. Horses are farm animals. Horses can carry us around. They can also help us to carry things from one place to another by pulling a carriage or by just carrying the weight or carrying the load on them, like when we sit and when we ride a horse. So we can ride horses. They help us move around and move our things around if we need. Oh, they have babies. Do you know how we call the babies from a horse? A horse's babies? Their babies are called foal. We say it foal. Not a pony. A pony is just a different kind of horse. That's a baby horse. We call it a foal. These are real horses. I'm going to show you a picture of real life horses. Beautiful. See, they have this long tail. Let me show you. I was going to point with my hand and you want to be able to see it. Let me get my laser point. Long tail. They also have a long mane. And you know, horses can be of many sizes and colors. You can see like a white horse, a black horse, brown horses, light brown. They're one with their mixed colors like gray and black and white, all mixed it up. And they can run pretty fast. They're very beautiful. Let's check it out. Another farm animal. Yes, it's a cow. Cows are also farm animals. They have horns and they produce milk. That's how they help us. They give us milk. And from the milk, we can make many other different things to eat. Like, for example, yogurt and cheese. Do you like that? I love cheese. Thanks for the cow, I can have my cheese. And they also have babies. And their babies are called calves. Calves. I'm going to show you a picture of real live cows. So check it out. These are real cows. And those cows are the cows that gives us milk. Some cows don't give us milk, but these cows do. And they also have horns, as I mentioned before. My laser point, right there are the horns. They are feeding, they eat grass. You see, they're all eating. And cows, just as the horses, they also can be of many different colors and sometimes sizes. They're big, huge cows, and they're tiny, not so big ones. Another farm animal. This one you all know, right? A pig. Very good, a pig. And pigs are farm animals because they also live in a farm. And a pig gives us meat. They have a curly tail. Look at his tail. It's curly. Twirls around like this. And they can be pink, but they can also be white. They can also be brown. They can also be like little polka dotty. And they also have babies. Do you know how we call their babies? Their babies are called piglets. Piglets. Let me show you a picture of real live pigs. Actually, it's just one pig. And you see, that little piglet, it's almost white, right? So cute. Big ears for his size. That's a piglet, a real pig, but a baby one. Cute. You know, their noses are not called nose, they are called snout. Snout for a pig.